Hello, judges, for the 2022 Joseph Henry Science Fair. I can't begin to explain how grateful I am that you're all helping participate this year. I know how difficult this will be due to a virtual environment, but I believe with your commitment, we will have great results. This year, we have 17 schools competing with approximately 44 projects. I did my best while filming the projects, but I am not a great cameraman. I also did my best to follow each project board as the students spoke and try to cover everything on their boards and in their notebooks. I also tried to ask questions regarding their projects to simulate the judging discussions. As of this filming, which is happening on April 20th, the plan is for each project to be judged 4 times by one of you. Feel free to take as much time as you need to rewatch or pause videos in specific spots to read the boards or notebooks. And when you've tallied your score in the rubric, which should go out to you in the email, you can send the rubrics to me through the email account for the science fair. Please get your rubrics back to me by 4:00 p.m. on May 24th. The awards ceremony is scheduled for May 25, and that is where I will announce the winners. We will be doing it through a Google Meeting broadcast from the Albany City School District, and my hope is that we'll be able to record the presentation and post it to the website so everyone can see the results. I am looking forward to being back in person next year, as long as recent trends hold out. I know the fair is better in person than it is virtually, but after 2 long years, we wanted the fair back, and being able to bring it back is mostly due to the work of the students, the work of the Albany City school teachers, and also the work of you, the judges. So I want to say welcome back and thank you. Enjoy the projects, enjoy judging. If you have any questions during the week, please feel free to contact me at the Joseph Henry account, which is just Joseph, Joseph, Henry, Henry, all one word, at strose.edu, or you can call me at my cell phone, 518-901-8575. Thank you, have fun, and I appreciate what you're doing very much. Thank you.